I got very excited about responding to these comments after having a literal LOL, but I want to jump right into it and not waste any of your time. Preview is a viewing program. The PDF was compiled with Quartz. Get a life. You're completely wrong and right at the same time, but more wrong. Now, if we open up his certificate in Preview, you'll see that the PDF producer, it says Quartz right here. That is correct, but the content creator is Preview. Now, the problem with this is that if it was saved down in Preview last and there's still 9 layers that I've opened up in Illustrator, that means that there were no extra layers added in, and the layers were previously there before they got saved, like you can right here, saved down in Preview. I can save this down, duplicate it, export it. I can name it anything I want. I can put my name on it if I wanted to. So to say that it's just a preview program is completely wrong. You can save and export files out of this and change the formats. So we'll go to Illustrator just to back up what I was saying. File, Info, Advanced, PDF Properties. Look, Producer, there it is, Quartz. You're so right. But Creator, Preview. You're so wrong. Okay, so we're going to get out of that. Go back to your comments. I really doubt you have any expertise in Macs, just looking at your previous statement. Whatever you say. Name the so-called attributes, or is that something you saw written on a bullshit website? I will show you these attributes right now. I went the extra mile to show you exactly what they are. I opened up his document under Word, and under Word you get a lot of coding all the way down. It's just a lot of random coding. Now what I'm looking for is the object code associated with each layer. That means there should be 9 object codes associated with each of the 9 layers. I did the work previously. There's one of them right here. There's one right here. But I dragged them all out, copied them, put them right here. There are 9 object codes for all of the 9 layers. Now, let's make it clarify that a normal, optimized, scanned document is only going to have one 1-bit layer, meaning like black, and all of the other layers will be multicolor, like 8-bit. Now, the problem with this specific file is that all of these layers are 1-bit, and to tell that they're 1-bit, it's one right here. It says 1. That means 1-bit. Right here, 1-bit, 1-bit. Go all the way down. 8 of the layers are all 1-bit, but the 9th layer, the 8-bit, is a multicolor. Now I want to show you how this code corresponds with each of those bits in each of those layers. If we go through it, I'm going to show everything again. Now if you look at this, of course it looks normal, but let's go down the list and get rid of everything but what I think is the 8-bit multicolor layer, which is this guy. Now look at that. This is actually all one 8-bit layer. That's one multicolor layer. Let's get rid of it. Now if you go up, these are the 1-bit layers. Look, that's black. Okay, so you have black. We do the eyedropper, you see black. Let's get rid of that. We'll go up. Nothing there. Nothing there. Actually, those are the stamps at the bottom. See that? Stamp is a greenish color. This is a greenish color. A little bit different. So each of these layers are one single bit color. And they all build up this document. The only way to make layers 1-bit, that many 1-bit layers, is to compose them all separately in something like Illustrator or Photoshop. And then what you do is send it over to, you save it down as a PDF, send it over to Preview, open it in Preview, save it down as a preview file to erase any Illustrator or Photoshop meta tag data, and you're off clean. So, well, at least for now, until you see all the coding that I just showed you. So, thanks for the responses, but if you have any more questions, get back to me.